this video, we're going to be unboxing and installing the Maxpeedingrods Street Comfort C1 Series Coilovers for a 2007 Subaru WRX. In the box, you have the rear shock absorber, the front shock absorber, an adjustable wrench tool, a user's manual, and the Maxpeedingrods sticker. To disassemble, you need the following tools: a medium-sized electric wrench, a large-sized electric wrench, a large-sized torque wrench, an extension bar, 32mm socket, 13mm socket, 22mm socket, 17mm socket, 19mm socket, 12mm socket, pliers, flathead screwdriver, large size extension rod, a 19mm wrench, a medium-sized ratchet wrench, a hammer. All use a 17mm socket to remove the wheel lug nuts. Open the engine bay and lift the vehicle up. You're going to remove the wheel. Use a 12mm socket to remove the ABS line bolt. Use a 12mm socket to remove the brake fluid line bolt. Use a 19mm socket with a 19mm wrench and remove the shock absorber. Lower the vehicle. Use a 12mm socket to remove the shock absorber top shock bolts. Remove the shock absorber. Install the original top mount or modified top mount and install the new shock absorber. Use a 13mm socket to secure the shock absorber top mount bolt. With a 13mm socket, tighten the shock absorber top hat bolt to 40 Newton meters. Insert the knuckle fixing bolt. Secure the nut and use a 19mm socket with a 19mm wrench. You want to tighten the shock absorber bolts to the knuckle. Using a 19mm socket, torque it down to 150 Newton meters. Install the ABS line back into place with the bolt and use a 12mm socket to tighten the brake fluid line. Going on to the back, you want to remove the wheel from the hub with a 17mm socket. Use pliers to remove the clip securing the brake fluid line. Use a 19mm socket with a 19mm wrench and remove the rear shock absorber fixing nut. Remove the bolts. Then use a 32mm socket to remove the half shaft bolt. Use a 19mm wrench with a 19mm socket to remove the lower control arm. Use a 12mm socket to remove the seat fixing bolt. Pull down the seat and remove the seat. Use a 12mm socket to remove the shock absorber top mount bolt. Remove the shock absorber and remove the original top mount. Swap it over into the new shock and install the new shock absorber. Install the new shock top head bolts and tighten them with a 12mm socket. Tighten them to 40 Newton meters. Install the lower shock fixing bolts and secure the nuts. Use a 19mm socket with a 19mm wrench to tighten the fixing bolts. Torque them down to 150 Newton meters. Secure the brake line back into place and lower the vehicle. Install the rear wheel and use a 17mm socket to secure the wheel. Install the front wheel also and use a 17mm socket to tighten the front wheels. Tighten both the front and the rear to 150 Newton meters. Install the back seat rest. Install the rear backrest fixing bolt and use a 12mm socket to tighten the rear backrest bolts. Install the rear cushion and install the rear cushion bolt. You are now complete with your installation.